Hey, in this video, I will show you how to mute the chat in Deep.io and how to unmute it also. So, if I just press play, then I'm in the game. I can send messages by pressing enter, typing in a bunch of letters and then pressing enter again. And now everyone in the game will see that I've sent them a message. But if I want to not see messages, I just press M and those messages will disappear. Every message in the game will disappear. This prevents lag. Yeah, oh, yeah. So that prevents lag. And if you see I press M, it'll say in the top left corner up here, I can't zoom into it, but it says chat muted, press M to unmute. And you just press M if you want the chat muted and press M if you want it unmuted. It's very simple. That's about it. Yeah, to send a message, you got that. And that's really it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions or confusion, let me know in the comments. Like and subscribe if this was helpful.